Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can show FPS and ping in Battlefield 6. There is a trick which you can use to see the ping of yours and your opponents. For that you need to hit the option key or escape key from your keyboard, then go to options, select the option system and just enable this option scoreboard ping. Once you enable this option, hold your tab key or your options key and you'll able to see the ping of yours and your teammates. So this is the trick which you can use to see the ping. Now let's say you want to see the FPS. For that you again need to hit the escape key or options key, then go to options again. Now you need to go to graphics, then go to advanced. Right here you have this option at the last, performance overlay, which you can set this on simple in order to see the FPS just right here. And if you set this on extra, you'll able to see some extra stuff like your CPU cores, your GPU as well as your RAM and all that kind of stuff. If you set this on advanced, you'll able to see more advanced stuff like frame, CPU, VRAM and so on. But personally I would love to keep this on simple, that way you can able to see the FPS and ping. So yeah, that's basically how you can show FPS and ping in Battlefield 6. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.